Hello everyone. In this video, I'll go through the main features of iVibraMeter. It is an iPad app connecting to Motionics 2-channel wired vibration analysis kit and single-channel vibration kit, and measuring machine overall vibration level. The first page I'll visit is the overall vibration measurement page. This page can be divided into two parts. Top part is for capturing overall vibration readings, and bottom part has a real-time vibration signal viewer. A very nice feature of iVibraMeter is it has a library of commonly used machines, including motor, horizontal pump, vertical pump, fan and blower, and spindle. Each option user selects, there will be a corresponding machine graph with marked test points. User can follow the graphic instruction, place accelerometer at marked location, and quickly capture overall vibration readings by simply tapping on the buttons. At the moment when button is pressed, a screenshot of signal spectrum is saved and added to report. We will talk about this later. We are working to expand the machine list to cover more types of equipment, but if your machine is not in the list, you can still select None option and capture readings at up to 6 test positions. On the right side of the reading capturing area, there is a vibration severity meter to help user to assess machine condition at one glance. By default, it is based on ISO 10816 vibration standard. User only needs to toggle the Edit Alarm Threshold switch and select a machine size group. A set of threshold will be automatically loaded. If a custom standard is required or measurement is based on acceleration, user can simply tap on the text field and enter a new threshold value. The bottom part of this page consists of a real-time signal viewer. It continuously updates vibration signal in time waveform or FFT spectrum. Acceleration signal from the accelerometer is used directly for analysis or integrated to velocity. You can use 2 fingers pinch to zoom to a specific frequency range, or quickly use the selector on the side to change frequency range. There is a peak marker in FFT spectrum. When it's set to auto mode, iVibraMeter automatically detects high peak and places the marker there. When it's set to touch mode, marker follows finger touch on the spectrum viewer and adjusts its position. Vibration information, including peak amplitude, 1x frequency, and RMS value, are displayed on the top right corner of the viewer. Data acquisition can be paused by pressing the pause button on the viewer or above the viewer. Now let me take some measurements from the motor. Once vibration test is complete, a test report can be generated. There are 2 reporting options, single-page report or a more detailed full report. Let's look at the single-page report first. On top of the report, user can enter general testing information, such as report title, date and time, staff name, machine and plant. Company logo can be added to the report from camera or photo library. Similarly, a machine image can also be attached. Middle part of the report shows captured readings on the machine and saved spectrum screenshots during test. User can tap on the acceleration velocity switch on the picture to switch between acceleration spectrum and velocity spectrum. The bottom section has several fields for adding notes, signature, and map. After editing, user can press View Report to regenerate PDF report. There are options to share the report via email, wirelessly print, or save it in the local report manager. I'm going to save it. The report manager is structured as plant, machine, and report. I'm going to create a new plant. A new machine. And save the report. Now we can go back and also generate a more detailed full report. Similar to the single-page report, it shows test information and test results. Additionally, there is a window to enter the machine temperature measurement, a window to add visual inspection comments, and a sketch pad in case some quick joins are needed. Now let's view report. When full report is generated, each test point will have its own page to show its spectrum. Similarly, full report can also be saved to local report manager, wirelessly printed, and shared via email. Next, we will revisit all the test report we just saved from the report manager. It is organized in the plant, machine, report structure. User can easily locate a specific test report. Once the report is selected, a pin drops on the map to show where the test was taken, and the PDF test report displayed in the report view. Use the full screen button to expand the report to full page. There are more export options here, including AirDrop, email, cloud drives, such as Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive. To delete a plant or machine or reports, simply slide the select row to the left. Let's go back and check the setting options in the app. Here you can select to use metric or imperial unit based on your need. Default vibration measurement parameter can be set to velocity or acceleration. This setting can also be changed during the test on the measurement page as we just saw. You can select dark theme or white theme for the app. Background and text color will adjust accordingly. As I mentioned, vibration test standard by default is ISO 10816, but user can always customize. Here we implemented another ANSI HI 9.6.4 standard, specifically for pump test. Next is a box to select the logo for full report. For single page report, this can be done in the report page. Last part is for app activation. You may contact us if the app asks you to activate for some certain hardware devices. iVibraMeter has a separate page for easy calibration. If you have 1G159 Hz shaker, you can connect it to the accelerometer as illustrated and simply tap a button to calibrate the system. If you don't have a shaker, our hardware device ships with its calibration number and you can enter it here. If you need any help, there is a PDF instruction in the app to explain all the buttons and features. For further information, please visit Motionics website www.motionics.com. Thanks for watching.